Good day, everyone, and thanks for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com, New Jersey and the Northern Mid-Atlantic region's weather news portal. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and this is Tuesday, November 1st, 2011, daily video forecast discussion. Since I last visited you last Friday, we talked about the snow for Saturday, but wow, we had an impressive early October nor'easter here with record-breaking snows so early in the season across all of the Philadelphia area all the way up into New England. Hardest hit areas had 20, even 30 inches of snow in spots of southern interior New England this past weekend, which caused millions of dollars in damage and millions of dollars, millions actually, of power outages across the area. Some of those are still out today and probably will be. And in some cases, a lot of the damage that was caused by Irene has now become second to nature to this storm. And here we start on Tuesday morning with clouds, small craft advisories up along the coast, and a few rain showers and periods of rain off the coast here. This is an area of low pressure moving out. A lot more clear skies out here in Pennsylvania and points west, and that will be getting in here during the course of today. So we'll start out with cloudy skies, and it's warm, but not really seeing much in the way of any precipitation this morning. Temperatures are generally running in the 40s to lower 50s, and these small craft advisories, which are here in the pink, down through the Delmarva and the Delaware Bay and off the Jersey coast out toward Long Island and into southern New England, are for stronger northeast winds at 15 to 20 knots with higher gusts today right through tomorrow, and seas building anywhere from 3 to 5 to 4 to 7 feet during this afternoon and this evening as high pressure develops and comes in and low pressure moves off the coast, tightens up the pressure gradient. Water vapor this morning shows area of low pressure off the Atlantic coast heading out. And we have some filtered sunshine here across northern New Jersey. This is the water vapor imagery, but notice all this black and red in here. This is very high pressure building in across the northeast and also the Tennessee River Valley, and that will be providing us with beautiful weather and near seasonable temperatures from this afternoon right through Thursday. Now, we do have a couple of other disturbances and frontal systems across the Midwest, and one frontal system will probably come through here dry on Thursday. There's an upper level low that will move through and then spawn a surface low off the Carolina coast or the northern mid-Atlantic coast on Thursday night and Friday and then head out to sea. So generally, we're not expecting any major amplification of this pattern here over the next 7 to 10 days, and that means rather normal and tranquil weather. And that should be a welcome thing to start off November, since we just went through an anomalously strong and damaging powerful nor'easter and winter storm this past weekend. Close-up of the Mid-Atlantic satellite view shows the cloud cover right along the coast with low pressure offshore. Rain is also located south and east of Long Island that we just showed you. Clearing skies getting into northwestern New Jersey and most of New Jersey now during this early morning, and more sunshine is on the way during this afternoon. Water vapor again showing the dry air coming in the mid and upper levels across all of the northeast and the mid-Atlantic coast, and that will be providing us with beautiful weather during the next 24 to 48 hours. Here's our radar view, and low pressure is heading off the coast, not to be affecting our area, thank the Lord for that. Let's start things out with the GFS. Here's our low pressure off the coast this morning. High pressure building in all the way from northern New England all the way down through the coast of southeastern United States, and high pressure will be in control. We can watch the maps here. Here comes another upper level disturbance and low pressure moving across the Tennessee Valley, and this would be for the day on Thursday. Thursday afternoon it starts to weaken, and we can see it just basically fall apart with another area of high pressure building in across the forecast region just in time for the weekend from Friday through Saturday and into Sunday. And the fine weather will continue throughout the day with a return flow from the south and southwest, bringing slightly milder air back into the region during Sunday afternoon as well. And here comes the frontal system that's kind of falling apart here on Monday morning. And the front will fall apart, and generally high pressure will once again be in control of our weather early next week on Monday night and Tuesday. Here's an area of low pressure getting organized across the southern plains here. This is for on the GFS model for Tuesday morning. And as we go further in time here, we start to moisten up the column here. South to southwest winds and low pressure moving up towards the Great Lakes keeps us still on the very mild side for the month of November thus far, with near seasonable temperatures. The low moves towards the Great Lakes and drags the cold front through the region, and the cold front's going to come through probably Tuesday night or Wednesday afternoon, and that's the next time that we're going to see any kind of organized showers. But most of the heavier rain will be associated in southeastern Canada as the low heads out. A surge of very strong storm systems entering the west coast, and this will continue a barrage. But until then, even next week, you can find even very strong high pressure again building back into the forecast region with near seasonable temperatures. And that will continue again after the frontal passage and rain of Wednesday, and then high pressure begins to build in across the region again, and then our pattern begins to repeat itself. And by next weekend, more rain is possible as we get into probably next weekend. But from now through the following week, we're generally looking at generally seasonable weather and pleasant conditions for the month of November. So that's going to do it for this morning's broadcast. You make it a good Tuesday. Happy November 1st to you. And unfortunately, if you're still without power and just kind of coming on and off with power like we have been the last couple of days, give heart that the crews are working, and it's going to take quite a while before power is restored to just about everybody. This has been one heck of a winter storm so early in the season, but at least the next 6 to 10 days are going to provide generally fair weather, very little storm potential here for the northern mid-Atlantic, and that means that restoration crews and everybody can get back on track and get our lives back to where they were prior to this event. Anyway, you enjoy this week and enjoy this afternoon as well, with lots of sunshine and temperatures getting back into the 50s. We'll be back tomorrow morning on Wednesday. For GardenStateWeather.com, I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You make it a good day.